Hi everyone, welcome to Ayur-Rachana short lectures. Today we will be discussing about the concept of Sharira. So, a query will come in your mind, right? What is Sharira and what is Sharira? And how can we differentiate them? So, that is a common question that arises in the first year BAMS students' head. So, let's discuss how to define Sharira and how to explain it further. So the definition states that Shariram Adhikritya Krido Grantha Sharira. So according to Arunadatta commentary on Ashtanga Hridaya Sharira Sthana, the definition for Sharira has been given as Shariram Adhikritya Krido Grantha Sharira. And according to him, the Grantha or treatises compiled based on the components of Sharira is termed as Sharira. So it's an easy concept to remember. The particular grantha or book that is written in order to explain the components of Sharira, that is termed as Sharira. It's very easy to remember, right? So let's see what is Sharira Sthana. And when you just go through the textbooks of Ayurveda, you will find different sthanas like Sutra Sthana, Nidana Sthana, Chikilsa Sthana, Sharira Sthana. So, in that, Sharira Sthana is where you can find the most anatomical references. So, we will define what is Sharira Sthana, and according to Charaka, Shariram Chintyate Sarvam, Daiva Manusha Sambada, Sarva Bhavair Yadaistasmad, Chariram Sthanam Uchede. So, according to this quote, it is defined as the section of Samhita that exclusively discuss upon the development of human body and the bodily structures. So, Shariram Chintite Sarvam, Daiva Manusha Sampada. Those who wish to know more about the Shariram and to know the concepts of Shariram, Sarva Bhavair Yadais Tasmat, Shariram Sthanam Uchide. So, where we have to refer, and particularly that is the Sharira Sthana of the treatises or the samhitas. That is where you can find the references of the bodily structures as well as the human body. Okay, so that defines what is Sharira Sthana. So when a question is asked to differentiate between Sharira and Sharira, you have to quote these two references. Okay, and Sharira Jnanasya prayojanam. What is the importance of studying all these concepts? Sharira Vichaya Shariropakarartham Ishyate. According to Charaka, the detailed knowledge of human body and its structures are necessary for maintaining the well-being of the body itself. So, from the purview of a practitioner as well as from the perspective of a health seeker, they should have proper and thorough knowledge over the bodily structures. Then only they can just attain the homeostasis or the normalcy. Okay, so that is the prayojana of Sharira Jnana. So once you know the proper anatomical concepts and once you have gone through the Sharira Sthana in detail, that is what is given here. Sharira Sthana is the section where you will find all the references regarding the bodily structures. So once you have a clear idea about that, then you can diagnose the diseases properly, then you can just treat the patients properly. So all this will come together and you can be a good practitioner. So this is the importance. And the second quote that you can quote to explain the importance of Sharira Jnana is Natva hi Sharira Tattvam Sharirobagara Gareshu Bhaveshu Jnanam Utpadyante. So according to this particular quote from Charaka Sharira, after acquiring the proper knowledge about the Sharira Tattva, so Natva hi Sharira Tattva means once you understand the whole concepts of the bodily structures, or once you understand the location and the particular structure of that bodily organs, then only the physician will be able to utilize these factors in practice. Sharirobhagaragareshu bhaveshu jnanamutpadyante. So by knowing the bodily structures properly, that can be incorporated to the knowledge of treatment or like that which helps in the treatment of a body. So hence it is inevitable to have proper knowledge in Rajana Sharira. So that is the difference between Sharira and Sarira. And what is Rajana Sharira? Rajana Sharira is the particular branch of Ayurveda where you will be learning the concepts of anatomy that will help you further in your practice. So that is inevitable to learn the concepts of Shaareera-Rachana before going deep into the subject. So that is one of the basic subject that you have to learn properly before starting your practice. So that is the importance of Sharira Jnana. So I hope you understood the differentiation between Sharira and Sharira. Sharira we have defined as Chiryate Anena iti Shariram, and here we have a different definition for Sharira, that is Shariram Adhikritya Krito Grantha Sharira. The written treatises or like samhitas where it has been clearly describing the anatomical concepts and the bodily structures, that is termed as Sharira. So this concludes today's session on Sharira. Thank you. So if you like the videos, just please do subscribe the channel and watch the previous video for the cross reference on Sharira. Thank you.